We've all been there. It's 3 p.m., your stomach's rumbling, and that bag of chips is calling your name. You know it's not the healthiest choice, but those cravings can be powerful. But here's the thing. Mindlessly reaching for processed, sugary snacks can wreak havoc on our health and energy levels. These tempting treats are often loaded with empty calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, leaving us feeling sluggish and unsatisfied shortly after. It's a vicious cycle of cravings and crashes. But there's good news. You don't have to surrender to these snack attacks. By making simple swaps and choosing nourishing alternatives, we can fuel our bodies with the good stuff while satisfying those pesky cravings. It's about finding that balance between healthy and delicious, and I'm here to show you how easy it can be. Our brains are wired to crave sugary, fatty foods. It's a survival mechanism from our hunter-gatherer days. These foods, high in calories, helped our ancestors survive times of scarcity. Fast forward to today, and we're surrounded by an abundance of these tempting treats, often engineered to be hyper-palatable. This constant bombardment makes it challenging to resist, especially when stress, boredom, or fatigue kick in. Our bodies release hormones like cortisol, increasing our desire for these comfort foods. We associate them with pleasure and reward, making it even harder to say no. But here's the catch. Our bodies haven't quite caught up with our modern lifestyles. Those excess calories we're consuming, they're not being used for hunting or gathering. Instead, they're often stored as fat, leading to weight gain and other health issues in the long run. We need to retrain our brains and bodies to crave nourishing foods that fuel us, not deplete us. The first step to breaking free from unhealthy snacking habits is understanding what makes a healthy snack. It's not about deprivation or restricting ourselves. It's about choosing foods that provide our bodies with essential nutrients, energy, and satisfaction. Think whole foods, minimally processed, and packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. These nutrients work together to keep us feeling fuller for longer, stabilize blood sugar levels, and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips, opt for a handful of almonds or walnuts. Craving something sweet? Swap out the candy bar for a piece of fruit or some Greek yogurt with berries. These simple swaps might seem insignificant, but they can make a world of difference in the long run. It's about changing our mindset from quick fix to long-term nourishment. I'm all about making healthy eating enjoyable, and that includes snack time. Here are a few of my go-to snack swaps that are both delicious and easy to incorporate into your day. Instead of sugary yogurt, try plain Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and fresh berries. Instead of potato chips, try air-popped popcorn sprinkled with nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. Instead of a candy bar, try a small square of dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, with a handful of almonds. Instead of a sugary granola bar, try apple slices with almond butter or a hard-boiled egg. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations to find what you enjoy most. We all lead busy lives, and sometimes those cravings hit when we're on the run. But that's no excuse to reach for unhealthy options. With a little planning, you can stay on track with your healthy snacking goals, even when you're short on time. One of my top tips is to always have healthy snacks on hand. Keep a stash of nuts, seeds, or fruit in your bag, car, or desk drawer. This way, when hunger strikes, you're prepared with a nourishing option. Another lifesaver is prepping snacks in advance. Spend a little time on the weekend washing and chopping fruits and vegetables, or portioning out nuts and trail mix into individual servings. And remember, convenience doesn't have to mean unhealthy. Many grocery stores and cafes now offer pre-packaged healthy snack options, like veggie sticks with hummus, hard-boiled eggs, or fruit salads. Making the switch to healthier snack options might seem like a small change, but its impact on your overall health and well-being is significant. When you fuel your body with nourishing foods, you'll notice a difference in how you feel both physically and mentally. One of the most noticeable changes is increased energy levels. By stabilizing your blood sugar levels, you'll avoid those energy crashes that often accompany sugary, processed snacks. You'll find yourself feeling more alert and focused throughout the day. Improved digestion is another benefit. Fiber-rich snacks like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains promote healthy digestion and regularity. You'll feel lighter and more comfortable, and your gut health will thank you for it. And let's not forget about the long-term health benefits. By choosing nutritious snacks, you're reducing your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Switching to healthier snack alternatives isn't about deprivation or restriction. It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body and support your overall well-being. It's about finding that balance between healthy and enjoyable. And it all starts with one small step. I challenge you to try swapping out just one unhealthy snack per day for a healthier alternative. See how you feel after a week. Chances are you'll notice a difference in your energy levels, mood, and even your cravings. Remember, small changes add up over time. So embrace the change, experiment with new flavors, and discover the delicious world of healthy snacking.